Why do some people seem to attract friends effortlessly, while others, no matter how kind or genuine, end up feeling invisible? Have you ever met someone who walks into a room and within minutes, people are drawn to them? It's not their looks, their money, or even their confidence, it's something deeper, it's psychological. Welcome back to Inner Man Psychology, where we dive deep into the mind, emotion, and the unseen forces that shape our connections. Today, we're uncovering the psychology of friendship, the subtle, powerful things that make people want to be around you, trust you, and stay loyal for life. Stay till the end, because the last three principles I'll share are the ones that most people overlook, yet they're the real secret to building deep, lasting bonds. Let's start here. Friendship isn't found, it's built. Most people think making friends just happens, like bumping into the right person, but psychology tells us it's an emotional process. At its core, friendship is built on three invisible needs every human has. 1. The need to be seen. 2. The need to be understood. 3. The need to be accepted. Word and tone we use either fills or drains those three needs. Think about it. When someone looks you in the eye, listens to your story without interrupting, remembers a detail from last week, your brain releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone whispers, "This person is safe. I can trust them." That's how friendship begins, not with grand gestures, but micro moments of safety and connection. So here's a challenge. Next time you meet someone new, instead of trying to impress them, try to see them, ask questions, listen deeply, and notice what makes them light up. That's how magnetic people build bonds without even trying, psychologically. We like people who are like us. It's called the similarity attraction effect. You've probably felt it, that instant click when someone says, "Wait, you love that show too," or "You've been through that same thing." Our brains crave familiarity. It signals safety and connect faster with people who share our interests, beliefs, or even sense of humor. But here's the twist. It's not about pretending to be similar. It's about mirroring. The subtle, subconscious reflection of energy, tone, and pace. When you mirror someone's emotional rhythm, you send a message. "I get you." This creates rapport, that invisible thread that pulls people closer. Most people don't listen to understand, they listen to respond, but true friendship grows when we listen to understand. Active listening is magnetic. It's about holding eye contact, asking follow-up questions, and noticing what someone feels rather than just what they say. A study from Harvard found that talking about ourselves activates the same pleasure centers in the brain as food and money. So when you give someone space to share, you're literally making their brain happy. They'll leave thinking, "I don't know why, but I feel so comfortable around you." That's not luck. That's psychology. Here's a wild truth. You don't attract friends by talking more. You attract them by listening better. The quietest people often create the deepest bonds. Starts a friendship, vulnerability deepens it. Friendship isn't built by perfection. It's built by truth, your real, raw self. When you open up about your fears, struggles, or insecurities, you invite others to do the same. Psychologists call this reciprocal vulnerability, the shared exchange of honesty that forges emotional intimacy. Here's the beauty. You don't have to trauma dump or overshare. It's about small, honest moments. "Yeah, that was hard for me too. I've been there." Those words say, "You're not alone." And that's what every human being craves. Ever notice how some people leave you feeling lighter and others leave you drained? Energy is contagious, emotionally and biologically. Neuroscience shows that our brains literally sync up with the emotions of the people around us. It's called emotional contagion. That's why positiveness is powerful, not fake. Forced cheerfulness, but grounded optimism, the type that says, even when life's tough, we can still laugh. That kind of presence attracts people effortlessly because we all want to feel alive, and we gravitate toward those who give us that feeling. Here's a little secret. The way people feel after leaving your presence determines whether they want to come back. Do they leave drained or inspired? Friendship isn't about who you hang out with the most. It's about who you can count on. Consistency builds trust faster than charm ever could. You don't need to be perfect, just predictable in kindness. When people know you'll show up, keep your word, or check in when it matters, you become emotionally safe. That safety becomes the foundation of loyalty, the kind of friendship that lasts decades. Here's the truth: we're all drawn to those who let us be ourselves. Psychologically, this taps into the concept of unconditional positive regard, coined by Carl Rogers. It means offering acceptance without judgment or expectation when someone feels they don't have to perform, pretend, or be perfect around you. They relax, and in that space, true friendship blooms. If you take away one thing today, let it be this: you don't need to chase friendships, you need to create spaces where friendship naturally grows, because connection isn't built by popularity. It's built by presence. So let's recap the psychology that attracts real, lasting friendship. Be genuinely curious, not performative or energy. Don't mimic personality, offer empathy, not judgment. Consistency over perfection, and most of all, be the kind of person who makes others feel seen, heard, and safe. When you do that, people won't just want to be your friend, they'll feel honored to be in your presence. If this episode made you think, reflect, or even challenged how you connect with people, then you're already growing your inner man. Don't forget to subscribe to Inner Man Psychology on YouTube and follow the podcast wherever you listen. Hit that like button, drop a comment about which part hit you the hardest, and share this with someone who's been trying to build deeper friendships. Because remember, changing your mind changes your world. Until next time, I'm Amex, and this has been Inner Man Psychology, helping you understand the mind, master emotions, and build real human connection.